Good morning from gloomy Manila. I'm back in the car. We're bringing the Pista off to break it in some more. Today's video is going to be about showing you guys what kind of stuff that we're doing in Classic Speed, the builds that we're doing, what kind of work we do, and just showing you around our shop over there. After that, I'll be heading to Clark Speedway to do a garage update for my track car garage. Delivering some parts. We're finally here at the shop. My seat is a bit stiff because my back does hurt. We have some parts here for my brother's Mach 1. Because of the S-Stuff, we lose a little trunk space, but you can still stuff stuff all the way inside. Gonna do a quick shop update, give you a roundup of the cars that we're working on right now. This is a 68 Camaro. This is a monster. It has an LS7 with a supercharger. We've been trying to tune it, but we've been encountering some issues with knocking, so we can't seem to get the power that we need. The car is here now so that we can finish the rest of the panels, and then after that it's going to go back to carporn, back on the dyno. Here we have a nice green like the Bullet Mustang. This is I think it's a 67. We do have another Mustang. I think this is a 66. Cream white with a 427 motor. This was one of the cars I acquired from my client. This one is getting a manual transmission. It's a 67 Eleanor look. And we didn't build this, but we are fixing it up so that we can sell it. This is very special. This is the project I've been building for my brother for almost a year and a half. This is a 69 Mach 1. This was actually my personal car, which I sold to him because he really wanted to do a project car. This is one of our first generation fully resto-modded builds. So I'll give you a quick rundown on what we've done with this car. We basically took a base car, body lifted it, removed all the rust panels, and then rebuilt the body frame, and then lowered it onto a chassis. We have a Roadster shop front end clip, a Roush 5.0 motor with the IR stacks, and then the rear end is also Detroit Speed. Got the bare brakes. We're waiting for the front brakes. Most of the parts that I brought today were for this car. We're going to be installing like the headers and the steering column, the windshield, the glass. Hopefully in about 6 weeks this car will be running. This one is a 65, just a bone stock 65. It has a 6-cylinder motor, not a V8. Over here is our Grand Sport Corvette from Superforeman. This is such a beautiful car. This has the LS3 motor with the Lingelfelter ITB kits. Beauty. So we've been assembling this car for a few months. We're still in the first process of building the car, so we're still trying to figure out like the wiring harness and all the other parts. This one should be running much sooner than our other cars because it's a bit more straightforward, because it's a lot of bolt-ons that we're just missing parts for. And then lastly, I guess I'll go to the other side and show you guys what we do for the body working side. This is where we do our body work in our fiberglass. Body alignment goes here. As you can see, we're building another project right here. This is a 67. Now it's kind of empty today because we have been getting cars out. Normally this is where we do our wet sanding, our fiberglass alignment, and later on we'll be moving our paint booth here so that we can spray the cars down. We're trying to close our other shop in Clark, trying to move everything here in Pampanga because it's just so much easier to manage everything in one location. As you can see, body filler, and then we're gonna sand it down, smoothen it out. This is our fiberglass section where we make the body panels. Pretty soon we're gonna have our own look for Classic Speed. It'll be an original design by John Sabal. We've wanted to recreate our own look so that we don't have to build any replicas of any other builds. What are you making?
Adapter po doon sa ano sa transmission.
Ayaw yung pilot bearing? Homemade. This is where we do major body work for the car. We strip the car down and we replace body panels. On the first jig is my 68 Camaro. As you can see with most old cars, major rust has developed, and even though the car looks good when we bought it, when we stripped it down, it was rusted through and through. We're waiting for the other body panels so that we can remove sections and redo it. This is a 65 convertible that we're building just for stocks in case anyone is looking for a convertible. This is it. This is a 67 for one of our clients. This is almost done. As you can see, we work on a jig so that we make sure what we're doing is very straight. Everything is manual labor. We don't have machines or robotics that do the job. It's all still very old school, and yep, welding, tack welding, alignment, tack welding, and then once we're sure, we full weld everything. After that, the car goes to the alignment stages, and then we proceed to do the body work and get all the door alignments, hood alignment, fender alignment. This section right here is where we vapor blast the car. We have a vapor blaster that uses sand medium or water and sand medium, and it helps us remove the paint for the car so we can really see what are the rust that needs to be replaced. Just got here to my garage. This is what we've been doing. We've been adding these parking lifts so that we can store some more cars. This won't be a major working area. We have a garage in front that we can borrow from the Ferrari group. So this is gonna be mostly storage. We can store some race cars and other stuff here. I'm planning to put my go-karts on the last corner because the post is blocking it. There'll be, I guess all our spare parts will be up there so we can lift it up and maximize this high ceiling. This is my 430 challenge car. But yeah, there you go. That's all I'm here to see. I need to finalize the location and see if it's good enough for us to use. So just finished inspecting my garage on the racetrack. I'm now on the way back to Makati. I'm gonna pass by the BGC Ferrari showroom so I can settle some of my other bills. And after that, it's home already. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the short tour of Classic Speed. And if you guys want to build your own classic recreation Mustang, Camaro, Charger, even Stingray Corvettes, which are the C2, C3, please let me know. You can hit me up in a message here in my YouTube, or you can look me up on Instagram under Classic Speed Inc. Alright, hope you guys have a great day. Bye!